R.I.P. Sam Neill. So it was really sad when I heard this news. I saw Jurassic Park when I was a kid, like in the cinema, in the theater. So this was sad. Can't believe it. We're never going to see Alan Grant again. So R.I.P. Mr. Neill. Let's draw him. Landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause. If I go too fast, I'm going to start with his eyes. So very small, squinty kind of eyes. So we'll go diagonal. And go across the top. And down the back. He's got like an eyelid line that comes across here as well. Then very thin eye, so coming across here. Down to there. And then blue eyes kind of looking out from underneath the eyelash line kind of here. Like so. Right, and then he has, he looks grumpy all the time, but curves this way for his eyebrow. And then goes down and up. And then back. Back down that way. Comes back up here. Down. It's got a good few wrinkles just on the sort of corners of his eye. Right, and some eyelashes just along the bottom of his eye. And then some bags underneath. Even some bags going that way as well. Do. As we got a line just for the nose, just kind of here, and then across the bridge of the nose there's a line, and then another frowning section. And like real light kind of sort of wrinkly lines in here. Right, so his other eye's kind of behind the bridge of his nose. So we'll just get the bridge of the nose in, maybe just here. Around that way. And then his other eye just in here. Goes down. And comes back in again, very small eye. And there's an eyelid line again up here. It's kind of looking to the left, so we got to put the eye on the opposite side over here. And the pupil. Right, and then some eyelashes on the bottom. And we get his eyebrow in here. Okay, so nostrils down here. And then nose, side of his nose. Just add a bit of shadow on the nostril there. And bring the bottom of his nose back around. Like that, right? And then, so side of his mouth, so it comes right down this way. The mouth itself is kind of flat, not smiling or anything. And then top lip. Down in the middle, back up, back down. And then a sort of line on the top lip there, and then his bottom lip. Relatively small sort of lips. Line there. And his chin. Just down there. There's another line for like the side of his mouth. I think he has a freckle or something, like a wart or something there. Right, we'll put his chin. Just that way, and then lines on his face. this way. And the jaw goes that way. And then he has a long sideburn. He kind of combs it back over his ear. Back that way. And then the ear just comes out this way. The hair eventually goes into his hat up there somewhere. So the other hair area, what we can see anyway, just here. And then his ear just comes down here. Okay, so this hat then, very particular shape. So it goes out, around, and then on this side, out, around. And this is gonna like bend up, down, and back up. So it's kind of tricky to get this now, so it goes down just at his hair. And it has like a rim on it as well, so it has an extra line that kind of sticks out. And so like this goes that way. So there's like an extra rim line. So we go back from here and follow it again. It's pretty thin then. So, and then that way. There. And then the top part of the hat. That. Then like that sort of dipped in sort of section. Okay, so back of his neck here, hair going down that way. And then we have the red bandana sort of thing that he wears here. like a knot here that comes around his neck. And then we got some necklines just in here. And we got a denim shirt. Coming down here, and it has stitching lines and stuff all inside. On the other side, and shoulders goes off here. Okay. Alan Grant, Sam Neill, RIP. Sad news. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.